What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Let me brighten this up first. Or get to the light. There we go. There we go. Hold on. We finna get right. We gotta get the lighting right. Gotta step back into the light. We ain't finna get the lighting right. But anyway, we tuned in for another video. I'm finna brighten this thing up. I can't take it, man. Alright. Yo, we tuned in for another video. We headed down the Headhunters Dragway. I'm finna hop in meats. We're gonna try this again. So you listen here now. I ain't got no time for no shenanigans today. Do what you supposed to, man. You been doing alright. I bless you. I got you. I got you some new eyes so you can see better at night. All you gotta do is do right, man. All you gotta do is do right. I'm begging you, man. This last time I came at you, I was kind of hostile, but not today. I'm just, hey, just do what you give me some doubt, man. All right, you know what I'm saying? You my boy. So just do what you're supposed to. Everything will be peaches and cream. So yeah, all right. I got that out of the way. So now we about to hit the road and head down the Headhunters Dragway. It's Thursday. It's a Thursday night. Shut up and race. So it's about to go down, man. A lot of guys from around the way. The all motor cars, man. They've been talking junk, saying who gonna take out who. So I guess we about to see today. We about to see, and look at Dolo. Look at little brother out over there, looking good even under the car cover. Looking good under the car cover. Look at that. That stance game. Tail it tucking. Your time coming. Your time coming. But anyway, let me hop in this car, man. We about to hit the road. See who I can get on camera. Try to give y'all a show. I'll see y'all there. Alright, y'all, tuned in, man. Gotta talk quick, cause you know they'll copyright me. But Meats made it down here, man. Gave me a few problems, but it's alright, man. I mean, he just vapor locking. We gotta get that straight. So I had to pull over, free the vapors up and all that, and then get back to riding. So y'all just stay tuned in. We'll catch y'all in a minute. the tap that brought the belt home, man.
Off the lane.
Don't come fuck with me. It thorns on that goddamn tree.
Thorns on the tree. Hey.
Oh, he the one who was in that G-bike.
Yeah, it just wanted to
cut that nigga head off.
It went down, y'all. Y'all got to go see my main channel, man. Y'all got to see my main channel.
We ain't running. Nobody else. Get off the lane. Stay on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Shout out to my boy MJ, man. Shout out to my boy. Look, hey, I got to shout to y'all on camera. Shout out to my boy MJ, man. They had a hell of a
Hey, boy, my boy J Malcolm, man. Y'all know the fuck going on, man.
Yes, indeed. Look, y'all see the shirt?
Y'all see the shirt,
Been
man.
rocking a long time now. 14, 15 years.
Since the beginning, man. Since the beginning, man. Hey, my motherfucking partner, man.
Yes, indeed.
Partner.
Yes, indeed.
Hey.
So y'all seen the don't on the stunt fit vlog, man. Yeah, what we doing today?
I ain't testing, man. We trying to get ready for Valdosta. But it's a dunk out here. We got that looking to try, man. I'm gonna see what we got there. We make shake tonight. You know what I'm saying? I need to give me a good test it in, man, and go from there.
Y'all heard that. If some go down, go check my main channel. Y'all gonna see it. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. We checking in. We got a grudge race about to go down. Ski bowling. Y'all gonna have to go to my main channel to see it though. Then we got smoke over here. It's going down, man. It's going down. Y'all see? See? Yeah, we on the vlog. Look, my boy Ant. The owner of Smoke. What you doing today?
I'm finna get that ski bow ad tonight. That would finna help. Anybody pull that G-bike, they got ass, small block.
Alright, y'all heard him. So like I said, go to my main channel, check it out. We got ski boat too, man. Good running home. Both of them get down, all motor grudge race. So y'all make sure, go over there, go take the race out over there. They're behind the scenes. It's on the vlog channel. Y'all make sure to go over there to the main channel and check it out. Big grudge race. Mandrill shut up a race. It's a Thursday night. Y'all saw earlier what it looked like. And now, Thursday night, likely.
What the fuck about to go on, fam?
What going on? Oh, we gotta keep the PG-13 though.
Hey, we gotta keep it, you know.
Who you like? Who you like on the grill?
Give me a cigarette, and you'll see that smoke.
Tell them get with it or get ran over, man. Get with it or get ran over.
All right.
I've been telling J Mac he need to start recording our bikes for like 3-4 years now.
Hey, I kept it so
get us no footage. No goddamn footage. What the hell going on, man?
Hey, I gotta start getting the bike, man. I gotta start getting the bike. I gotta start getting the bike. What going on? Side P, man. We gotta start getting the bikes and everything. But yeah, man, it been kind of hard to vlog today, cause like I said, they been having music and all that going on.
Goddamn right.
What happened?
That is 300-pound ride on a dirt bike, 4-wheeler motorcycle you can find in the nation, dog. And we'll bet anything on it. Find somebody 300 or better to bet against me, we'll bet on it. And we love to travel. We love to travel. We'll travel any fucking way. You travel already. So any way you find a ride on a dirt bike, motorcycle, 4-wheeler, anything 300 better, come find us.
Ooh, all right, it going down, y'all. So yeah, man, I'm gonna check in with y'all after the race. They getting the track prep and all that. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So I just made it back to the house from the Thursday night shut up and race, and it was jumping. It was jumping, man. I had a good time, man. It was jumping. You know, good little vlog. Try to give y'all a little entertainment. I'm trying to find some good lighting and all of that. But y'all know what time it is. I'm about to get up here, start editing, and this is actually the day before we head out to Darlington, cause I'm gonna be filming at Darlington Dragway, a Big Jake race, Friday and Saturday. So I'm headed to Darlington tomorrow. So there's 3 track days back to back this week, so I'm getting it in, man, along with dropping vlogs every day for y'all. So yeah, man, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Meat's on there, man. I got to figure this car out. The car, I had to pull over 3 times heading there cause the car keep vapor locking, man. I don't know what, I got to get that straightened out. It keeps vapor locking, man. So if you don't know what vapor lock is, man, go look it up, man. Look up vapor lock. But it keep vapor locking. It's not nothing really mechanical, but that junk is a headache, man. It's gonna make your car cut off and all that. But when it's cool, gone down the road. I came back home all the way here, no problem, man. Didn't have to pull over, none of that. But that's why I don't drive the car like that in the daytime car. It be vapor locking, man. It's guaranteed to cut off. Guaranteed to cut off, man. I'm gonna have to pull over. So I don't know, man. I'm gonna take the aunt, let him look at it or something, man. It got to get fixed. That vapor locker stuff gotta stop. Other than that, the car A1, man. It ride A1. It's run good. Don't run high, good oil pressure, man. It's smooth, crank up on the dime, all of that. Just gotta get rid of the vapor locker. So that's it, man. I had to tell y'all that because I ain't even filmed that. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog, man. I appreciate everybody that watched. Catch y'all on the next one.